Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is my highly anticipated curly hair routine. It will be focusing on how I moisturize and style my naturally curly hair using the LOC method, which I'll be explaining shortly. In order, here are all the products I'll be using. This is not part of the styling method, but here I'm using the IGK Toning Drops. I color my hair usually medium or light brown, so this is like a concentrated blue pigment that helps to banish and tone out orange and red brass for brunettes. I find that it works better than using a purple or blue shampoo. I mix it in with my leave-in conditioner and water in this spray bottle from LUS brands. So this is the first step in the LOC method. The L stands for liquids, such as water and water-based products to hydrate the hair. I love this spray bottle. It's honestly so helpful when you need to refreshen your curls, especially when it's the next day. And I know it's just a spray bottle, but I love it so much because of how evenly and smoothly it sprays. Next, I'm using my favorite hairbrush from Sugar Bear Hair. It's made from bamboo and it's super gentle when brushing through wet hair. This step just helps to distribute the products more evenly into the hair. Here I'm adding more leave-in conditioner, and my current favorite is the Don't Despair Repair hairline from Brogio. It's called a leave-in mask, but it acts as a leave-in conditioner. This hair brand in general is one of my favorites for all hair types, and they have some great hair treatments. The second step in the LOC method is using oil. This is what the letter O stands for. We use oil to seal in the moisture. So I am applying the Chi Argan oil here. It adds a really nice shine and it also absorbs quickly into the hair. But I honestly love it more because of its smell. It's pretty pricey, but it smells amazing. Next, I am using my favorite and holy grail product, which is the LuvUrCurls 3-step all-in-one curly cream. C stands for creams, so this is the last step in the LOC method, which is applying a cream product to close the hair cuticle in order to prevent moisture loss and to define the curls. I've been using this product for over 2 years now and I absolutely love it. The first 2 times I tried it, I hated it, but it's because I didn't know how to work the product properly. You have to make sure your hair is completely wet when using this cream, because the only way to get it activated is by using water. So when I pump out some more of the product here, I also mix water with it so it really activates the cream before working it into the hair. And then I flip my hair upside down, and then you want to just keep scrunching up. My tip is to always try to go either on the side or upside down to give your hair more volume when you're scrunching. My tip here is to part your hair how you would want it at the end and scrunch up the bangs upward to the preferred side. It really helps to add more volume and to structure the overall hairstyle. Now I just wait for my hair to dry. It dries pretty fast, so I normally would do my makeup during this time. I like to air dry my hair, mostly because I have bad luck with a diffuser. But if you want, you can definitely use a diffuser for this part. And once it's completely dry, I will start to fluff out my hair by scrunching it up and giving it some also wiggles at the roots using my fingertips. I find that using your fingers is always the best option to ensure a frizz-free hair, so it won't disturb the definition of the curls as much. A helpful side note for you guys, there are 12 major hair types, and knowing your hair type is going to really help you know which products are best for you. I fall under 3A/3B in curly hair. This is why most curly hair brands usually have 3 or 4 different types of creams, depending if your natural hair is wavy, curly, or coily. So lovelies, this is the finished tutorial on how I naturally style my curly hair using the LOC method. Let me know if you want to see a separate video of what I use in the shower and my favorite hair treatments that I do bi-weekly. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and let me know down below some of your favorite products for curly hair. I would love to know. I'm always willing to try new products, and please make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, bye!